Hi friends, good morning. Hopefully all of my friends will be fine. Friends, you can see in the video, this is my fourth video on this project. You can see the isolated footings, shutting and reinforcement almost done. I have inspected, but I am making the video after the inspection, and you can see the strings. These are the grids, X and Y axis, as per the column orientations and as per the plot dimensions, and even as per the drawing. So these are all the isolated footings, and few there is a strip beam, mean that that is called connecting beam in few footings as per structure requirement. So I will go inside and shortly brief. Here you can see the strings. These all the grids they mark as per the columns, mean if it's going through the center or sides. So you can see X and Y axis. So here you can see the columns as well in the footing. Also the shutting and steel is ready. So the column double bars also they fixed. So I have checked here these footing you can see. So here you can see the lift foundation. Lift pit is also coming, because actually this is 3-story villa. Here you can see the lift footing is 3.4 meter into 3.4 meter. They mean 3 meter 40 centi both ways, and the foundation steel detail is 16 mm main and distribution bar, 150 mm center to center, and top steel as well 16 mm 150 mm center to center, both main and distribution bar. And the steel you can see, the steel is also the concrete cover 75 mm. This is the lift shaft up to the finished floor level. There is the shear wall, because here will be the soil fillings and compactions, and the pressure of soil will be there. So they design this shear wall, and all around there is 4 column in the lift shaft. After that there will be the block work. So here you can see the lift columns. 4 column steel is for 16 mm 8 numbers, 1 2 3 and 4s, and rest all this shear wall is 12 mm inside outside, vertical and horizontal bars 12 mm 150 mm center to center. So these are the details. Here you can see, I will just shortly brief about the footing 8. This is, you can see the footing, only the cleaning is remaining. So in the bottom steel T20 main and distribution bar, mean both ways X and Y axis, T20 and 150 mm center to center, and top is also 12 mm 200 mm center to center, both X and Y axis, mean main and distribution bar. The column C4 8 number T20, and there is a 4 leg steel 8 mm stirrups 200 center to center. So here you can see the strings as well. So all the footings I already inspected, so I cannot cover all the fittings in one video. So the site is ready for the concrete. So I hope these all the information. And the last thing, the depth of the footing, all the footings depth are different. So they already put the levels, and they will do concrete according to that level. So after that there will be the neck column, and then there is the ground beam. So I will make another video on that stage. So hopefully this video is very useful for all of you. Thank you for supporting my channel.